Hello everyone, today me and my friend Ben are going to be doing dirt biking. We're going to be swapping off. He's right there. And we're going to do some pretty cool tricks for you guys, and I hope you like this. I'm on another bike, not a motor one, regular bike, holding the camera for him. And he's going to get going. Let's give him a couple minutes, guys. Let's get to put it in gear. Here we go. So, yep, guys, he's right over there. Over there, guys. Just jumped that pretty good, guys. Not bad. You can do a couple nice tricks, and I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go through there. Looks like a ditch. So you're not doing bad. But yeah.